right on up here. One of you right here, the other right here. Everybody else line up with them. 2 lines facing your partner. Facing your partner.
Anna, you want to be my partner?
Find a partner. Come and join the line. Find a partner. Join the line. We got plenty of room out here. Is this it? Somebody else is going to join in. Now you may be thinking that this dancing is a little bit of fun. You might be wondering if there might not be some place where you can go and do this in between the times when you're having your annual dance here. And in fact, if you were to go up to Hallsville, Missouri on the second Saturday of every month, John White, the fiddler up here, hosts a square dance at the community center in Hallsville, second Saturday of every month. If you play an instrument, you can go in the afternoon from 4 to 6 and be part of a jam session. From 6 to 7, there's a carry-in dinner, and then starting at 7 o'clock, we do dances that just very much like this. Some square dances, some long ways dances like this. And it's open to everybody. Anybody can come. Just bring a dish for the dinner at 6 o'clock, and everybody's welcome. So it's an open band for the evening. There might be 10 or 12 musicians playing some band, and different people lead the dancing too. So come on up to Hallsville, second Saturday of the month sometime. If you'd like more information about that, or if you'd like to get onto their mailing list, email list, you can talk to John or Dave or anyone, one of the band members that you're about there. So anyway, here's how this dance goes. Face your partner, and you're going to trade places with your partner. Go ahead and trade places with your partner. Stay close to your partner, right up there close to your partner. Clap your own hands, clap your partner's right hand, clap your partner's left. That's it. Clap your own hands, clap your partner's right hand to your right hand, clap your own hands again, clap your partner's left hand. And you'll just do that cycle once. So it's clap right, clap left. About that speed. And now face your partner again. Trade places with your partner again. We'll clap again. Clap right, clap left. Everybody face to your right. Everybody face to your right. And face to your own right. So we got one line facing the kitchen, one line facing the band. And when you come to the end I'm going to have everybody walk forward. When you come to the end of the line, just follow around with the other line. Everybody go, walk forward. When you come to the end, just loop around to your left. Or the other way, that's okay too. And now turn around, go back the other way. Go back the other way. That's all right. You're okay that way. You come this way, but that's all right. Just go back that way, the same way you came. So this line, come back up this way. You were over here, that's right. You were over here. You two start now. Okay. And when you get back to your partner, look at your partner in the eye, and right shoulder to right shoulder, skip around your partner. With your right shoulder to right shoulder. All the way around until you get back into your line again. And then take 2 hands with your partner. Do a 2-hand turn with your partner. 2-hand turn one time around. Drop your partner's hand, make room down the middle, make room down the middle. The top 2 dancers dance down at the bottom. Everybody else. Everybody else take a step up this way. Let's walk through this one more time. Face your partner. Trade places with your partner. Keep close to your partner. Clap right, clap left. Trade trade places with your partner again. Clap again, clap right, left. Everybody face to your right. And walk forward. If you're at the end of the line, just move around to the left. So you'll follow the other line. There we go. And back the other way, back the other way. When you get back to your partner, right shoulder to right shoulder, your partner. And now take two hands, do a two-hand turn. Two-hand turn, your partner. Make room in the middle. About two dancers come down the middle. This is one really long line, so let's break into two lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About this many up here slide over that way. The rest of you come up this way. And it's still the same dance, so. Let's do this beginning part one more time. Beginning part one more time. And think about the timing on it. So I'm going to give you 4 beats to trade places with your partner. So that's 4 quick steps to trade places with your partner. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in that same speed, clap your hands. Clap right, clap left. 4 steps back again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap right, clap left. Yeah, like that. That's how the dance is going to start. By trading places with your partner. I'm not going to walk through the rest of it. I just wanted to walk through the trading places and clap. So, how about a tune here, John? Trade places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap right. Trade places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap right. Left. Face to the right. Walk single file. Back the other way, back the other way. The other way, back until you get behind your partner again. Skip around your partner, right shoulder to right shoulder. Two-hand turn with your partner, two-hand turn. Take room in the middle, top 2 dancers, down the middle. Everybody face your partner, get ready. Trade places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Trade places. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, right, left, face to the right, walk single file. And back the other way, back the other way. When you find your partner, skip around your partner, right shoulder, right shoulder. And a two-hand turn with your partner. Make room in the middle, top 2 dancers, down. And back the other way. Find your partner. Skip around your partner. And a two-hand turn with your partner. And a two-hand turn with your partner. Take room in the middle. Top 2 dancers. Take a step up. Get ready. Straight across. 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap right, clap left. Straight on back. Clap right, clap left. Face to the right, walk single file. And back the other way, back the other way. Look for your partner. Right shoulder. You skip around your partner. And two-hand turn with your partner. Make room in the middle. Top 2 dancers down. Get ready. 1, 2, ready, cross. Clap right, cross again. Clap right, clap left, face to the right, walk single file. And the other way. Same track. Look for your partner. Walk around your partner now. Right shoulder to right shoulder. Now two-hand short stroke. Hop two, come down, two. Hop two, come on down. Get ready. Rock over one. Flat right. Rock back. Flat right. Flat to the left. Walk to the right. And the other way back. Right shoulder to your partner. Skip around each other. Two hands turn with your partner. Take two. Hop two. Down. Cross now. 1, 2, 4, flat. Cross on back. Take to the right. Off to the left. Right shoulder to your partner, skip around each other. Two-hand turn to your partner. Hop two down, two down, two down. Face your partner, get ready. Straight versus now. Left to right, straight back, left in. Face to the right, walk single line. And back the other way. Skip around your partner. And a two-hand turn for your partner. Top two down, two down. Find a partner, make a big circle. Make a big circle.